Have you ever stood in front of the mirror wondering why your wardrobe doesn't seem to work anymore, no matter how you try to mix and match? Imagine having a wardrobe that makes you feel amazing, where every outfit is a hit, not a miss. Today, we will uncover the 10 style pitfalls women over 40 often fall into, and how to steer clear of them for a flawless look. These are the very mistakes that fashion icons over 40 avoid to remain stunning and stylish. You surely don't want to miss this. Starting with number 10, wearing too many logos. We all love a good brand, but sometimes less is more. While a logo here and there can be stylish, too many logos can make you look like a walking billboard. Take a page from Meghan Markle's style book. She prefers timeless, logo-free pieces that emphasize elegance over brand. Remember that your clothing should complement you, not the other way around. Overloading on logos can distract from your overall look and make your outfit seem busy. Instead, choose classic pieces that exude sophistication without shouting the brand name. It's about letting your style speak for itself, not the labels. I remember once I wore an outfit with multiple logos thinking I looked trendy, but instead, I ended up looking like a walking advertisement. Less is definitely more when it comes to logos. Number 9, ignoring the importance of outerwear. Outerwear is often the first thing people see, especially in colder months. Julianne Moore, for instance, knows that a fabulous coat or jacket can elevate your entire look. It's like the frame to a beautiful painting. The right outerwear not only keeps you warm, but also makes a powerful fashion statement. Imagine stepping out in a worn-out jacket versus a sleek, stylish coat. The difference is monumental. Invest in outerwear that complements your wardrobe and makes you feel confident. Avoid that old, worn-out jacket you keep at the back of the closet. A good coat is a game changer. Here's a little fashion history for you. Did you know that the trench coat was originally designed for British soldiers during World War I? Today, it's a timeless piece that can add sophistication to any outfit. I once found a vintage trench coat at a thrift store, and it completely transformed my wardrobe. Number 8, wearing wrinkled clothing. This one might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Victoria Beckham always looks impeccably put together, and one key reason is that she ensures her clothes are wrinkle-free. Wrinkled clothing can make you look sloppy and unprofessional, no matter how stylish the pieces are. Take a few extra minutes to iron or steam your clothes for a polished appearance. Think about it. How can you expect to feel your best when your clothes look like they've been through a wringer? Your future self will thank you for that small investment of time. A quick tip: if you're in a rush, hanging your clothes in the bathroom while you take a hot shower can help remove wrinkles. It's like a mini steam room for your wardrobe. Once, before an important meeting, I used this trick and saved myself from a major fashion faux pas. Have you tried any clever tricks to keep your clothes wrinkle-free? Number 7, wearing all matchy-matchy. Back in the day, matching everything was the gold standard, but times have changed. Gwyneth Paltrow shows us how to mix and match with style. Wearing perfectly matched outfits can look dated and unimaginative. Instead, mix colors, patterns, and textures for a more modern and chic look. For example, pair a patterned blouse with solid trousers, or mix different shades of the same color. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. The key is balance, mixing without clashing. Fashion should be fun and expressive, not rigid and predictable. Here's a fun fact. The art of mixing patterns, also known as pattern mixing, has roots in traditional African and Indian clothing, where bold patterns and vibrant colors are skillfully combined. Personally, I used to be afraid of mixing prints, but once I gave it a try, It opened up a whole new world of styling possibilities. Number 6. Ignoring the fit of undergarments. This one's huge. Oprah Winfrey has always emphasized the importance of well-fitting undergarments. Ill-fitting bras and underwear can ruin the look of your clothes and even affect your posture. The right undergarments provide the foundation for your entire outfit. Think of it as building a house. You wouldn't skimp on the foundation, right? Make sure your undergarments fit well and provide the right support. This small change can make a big difference in how your clothes fit and how you feel throughout the day. Did you know that the modern bra was invented in 1914 by Mary Phelps Jacob? Since then, undergarments have evolved significantly. I once had a bra fitting, and it was a game changer. The right fit not only improved my posture, but also made my clothes look so much better. When was the last time you checked your bra size? It might be time for a fitting. Number 5. Neglecting your hairstyle. Our hair is our crowning glory, yet we often neglect it. Michelle Obama is known for her ever-evolving hairstyles, and she always looks stunning. An outdated hairstyle can add years to your look. Regularly update your cut and style to keep it fresh and modern. Your hair is a crucial part of your overall style, so give it the attention it deserves. Visit your stylist regularly and don't be afraid to try new styles that suit your personality and lifestyle. Here's a personal story. I used to stick with the same hairstyle for years until a friend convinced me to try something new. It was a revelation. Not only did I feel rejuvenated, but I also received so many compliments. Have you ever tried a new hairstyle and felt like a new person? Number 4. Overaccessorizing. Coco Chanel famously advised taking one accessory off before leaving the house. It's easy to go overboard with accessories because they're fun and can make a statement. However, too many accessories can overwhelm your look and make it appear cluttered. Choose a few key pieces that complement your outfit without overpowering it. Sometimes, less really is more. Think about the power of a single statement necklace or a pair of elegant earrings. They can add that perfect finishing touch without stealing the show. A little history for you. Accessories have been used for centuries to signify status, wealth, and personal style. From ancient Egyptian jewelry to Renaissance brooches, accessories have always played a key role in fashion. Personally, I love a good statement piece, but I always try to balance it with more subtle accessories. How about you? Do you have a favorite accessory that you can't live without? Number 3. Forgetting to layer. Layering is an art form that can add depth and interest to your outfits. Diane Keaton is a master of layering, creating visually interesting looks by combining different lengths, textures, and patterns. Forgetting to layer can leave your look flat and uninspired. Learn to layer stylishly by mixing various pieces like a cardigan over a blouse, a scarf over a dress, or a vest over a shirt. Layering can transform a simple outfit into something spectacular and versatile, perfect for changing weather and occasions. Here's a layering tip. Start with a basic piece, like a solid colored shirt, and build from there. Add a patterned scarf, a textured cardigan, and a stylish coat. Each layer should complement the others without overwhelming the overall look. Once, during a trip to Paris, I learned the art of layering from the effortlessly chic Parisians. My outfit seems incomplete without an extra layer since then. Number 2. Neglecting proper footwear. Let's talk about shoes. They're not just an accessory. They're the foundation of any outfit. Sarah Jessica Parker, our beloved Carrie Bradshaw, knows the power of the right shoes. Wearing shoes that are worn out or uncomfortable can ruin your outfit and your day. Well-maintained, stylish shoes can elevate any look. Invest in quality footwear that you love and that loves you back. Comfortable and stylish shoes not only enhance your look, but also your confidence. Remember, you carry your entire body on those shoes, so treat your feet with the love they deserve. Here's a tip. When choosing shoes, consider both style and comfort. Opt for shoes with good arch support and cushioning, especially if you're going to be on your feet all day. Personally, I've found that a good pair of stylish flats or low heels can make all the difference. It's amazing how the right shoes can uplift your entire outfit and mood. Number 1. Wearing oversized clothing. This might sound surprising, but it's a common mistake. Cate Blanchett often opts for clothing that fits her shape well, and she always looks fabulous. Oversized clothing can swamp your figure and make you look shapeless. Instead, choose pieces that highlight your best features and fit you well. Tailoring can be your best friend. A well-tailored outfit can make you look put together and confident, showcasing your body in the best light. Did you know that Coco Chanel popularized the tailored look for women in the 1920s with her chic, streamlined suits? Personally, getting a few key pieces tailored has been a game changer for my wardrobe. Do you have a favorite tailored piece that makes you feel like $1,000,000? By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can enhance your style and feel confident in your wardrobe choices. Fashion isn't about following every trend. It's about expressing yourself and feeling great in what you wear. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to refresh your wardrobe without buying new clothes? Which fashion icon over 40 inspires you the most and why? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable, and I love learning from this wonderful community. If you learned something from this video, you'll definitely enjoy the next one too.